Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add digital product for your site in Site123. So let's start here. First, what you want to do is just click here on add new page. When you're here, you want to click here on sales. And now you can go like with the e-commerce pricing table. And like we can start going with, I don't know, pricing table. It's okay. So when we have it, and we will get also to e-commerce, so you can have like comparison how we can do it. Let's also add here the e-commerce. So let's start with the pricing table, manage page. And you can also add new item or just edit those here. And when I'm going to click here on advanced, you can go with the name digital product, pricing like 10 euro or 15. Okay, period monthly or yearly, popular, it is, yes. And action button is you can go like with internal order system, which you will have here the payment methods. But let's just save it here first. And you got it here, but you need to have upgraded version. So, and shipping and tax, let's go here. There are no regions selected, but right now, when I will click here on order now, right? You can see it here that someone will just fill everything. And free shipping. Okay, and you get a payment of digital product. And let's click here on e-commerce how we can do it. The pricing table is the most easiest one. And e-commerce, click here on edit. And I would just add new category. Services. Nice. And I will okay, let's delete everything, create a new product, and let's go. You can see it here. So name, digital product, short description, buy it. You can also services, okay, category, nice. Price, let's go with 99, and you can also here, when the option the product will be set as digital product, yes. This is the most important thing. And you can also choose the file if someone's going to download it. So let's upload here, and I'm going to add a PDF file. So sales price will be here, nice. Really cool. Additional information, you can go with the SQ if you have stock in unit, but you don't need to because it's pointless. And right now we don't have options here in digital product. Then you get also attributes which you can add, and inventory. You can automatically manage inventory, related products, out or from friends or from all products. Okay, so that's kind of it. And let's just click here save. But I'm going to add an image first. Save and close. Nice. And as you can see here, we got it. Digital product, quick view, add to cart. Nice. Make an order. Again, everything. And as you can see, this is much better way because right now we don't see here the shipping. So I would choose this way, the e-commerce. So that's kind of it. Thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.